Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video. Hey guys, yes, and this thing is cut when people kuza us. It's not always the case that people are jealous or that they want your man or they don't wish good things for you. It's because from outside they can see the danger, they can see the red flags. Kanti wena ake uthola ukuthi red is your favorite color. Ayibo, umbali. Angithi Umbali has a date with Musa, and Musa says that he's sorry. He said that he's sorry for the things that he said about her, for the way that he painted her in a bad light. Guys, I really think Umbali is truly hurt by the things Musa said. But if you remember, guys, at the end, towards the end of last season, some of the things Musa said about Umbali were wild, you guys. Especially the last date that they had. He even mentioned something about Utimina when I found you. You were like kind of like he's saying what like mina ngayikhuphula life yakho. Guys, that is very degrading for a man or for someone to say that of you. But Umbali says in her diary session, I do not accept his apology. Umbali, those type of girls, guys, once she's those type of girls abazitshela ukuthi once ngaphuma emfaneni ngiyaphuma and ngeke ubelieve my type of girls. Anyway, she says I don't accept his apology, and she's like, yes, my colleagues bangikhuza ngaye. My family disapproved of this man, but still, what did I do? I chose to stand by his side. Umbali sometimes, guys, yaziyangihlekisa because the way when Umbali, it's like she's living in a bubble. It's like she's living in a bubble, and you'd almost swear when she's talking about her man, she's speaking about a man ongekistes Timbin. It's like she married her man and she just wanted them to have a perfect life or to have a life where like they just live for one another and that's it. Because I'm just like, ma'am, there was no way, it's Timbin, guys, there's no way that there can't be some sort of betrayal because I feel like there is going to come to, or there's going to be a point where the one wife is going to feel as if they are valued than the other wife. And I feel like in Umbali's mind, those things don't exist. So Umbali says, listen, she stood by her man, regardless of what people said. So now for that man to come and say those things, she says that I feel betrayed by the person othe ukuthi ufisa ukwakha nami. Guess what, girl? He said that to many others, and the others that he said that to, bayakhala. And that's the thing about maybe there's a bit of being delusional nyana. Because when you look at the other wives and you look at izinto, what makes you think that you are that special that that's not going to happen to you? That's why I'm like, I feel like maybe she's in her own bubble, because I mean, she was friends with Utobile. Maybe Utobile was not giving her the tea, like how is it really in this type of relationship, in this type of marriage and all of that. But again, now she sees it for herself, and it looks like she is not happy with this version of Musa, and she's adamant, we are Puma, and she's not going to be repeating herself. So guys, please, when people mesin kuza sinchela this person is going to trouble you, please listen. Please listen, sometimes, especially guys, if it's coming from people who truly love you. People who truly love you and you know, those people want the best for you. They're not going to just tell you, they wouldn't just discourage you from marrying a person for nothing. There's a reason why they're hanjalo. So if you know, vele ezingizi, you're not the begazelaring type like Abombali, don't waste your time, because how many years did she waste? Well, it's not wasted time, but how many years did she spend in that marriage, you guys? A lot of years. She could have found herself a man ezotiena, a man that would listen to everything she says, a man where they are just living for one another. But in this type of situation, my babe, hi, I'm sorry, Mbali. But anyway, guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.